Now let's talk about the bonuses that you will get if you bought this program with my affiliate link. These bonuses are not just courses or knowledge PDF. These bonuses are going to really help in your online business journey. So the first one is list of 30 high ticket affiliate offers to promote with the help of AI groups. This list is important for those people who doesn't have their own high ticket offer. And the second bonus is Peng Joon proven presentation. This consists of the proven presentation masterclass so that you can build winning pitches for the sales letter, webinars, or offline events. Deconstruction of $1 million presentation so that you can download the slides and make the edits and deploy them immediately. $800,000 coaching session so that you can learn from his other students' success and failures while watching presentation developed in real time. Roadmap, cheat sheet, swipe files so that you can have a quick reference to the most valuable part of the course. The third bonus we have here is Jack Butcher Build Once, Sell Twice program. This material consists of how to productize a service business, how to structure and build a digital training product, how to build a product centric content strategy, how to leverage social platforms to scale, how to collect social proof, and developing a personal branding strategy. The fourth bonus we have here is the copy of Sell Like Crazy book. This book is literally a gold mine for new online business owners, and it can be also for you. This book discovers the ways of how to write a Google advert or a Facebook ads that practically force your prospect to click them and buy. Discover the best way to grab any prospect by jugular and drag him down into your sales message and practically force them to buy. How to uncover large, new, starving crowds of prospects who spends like sailors on leave. The fifth bonus is pretty famous bonus that everybody gives on YouTube. So yeah, the fifth bonus is Paul Murphy YouTube Academy, where you will get Affiliate Tube Success Academy and his 24-hour ranking system, consultancy templates, and outsourcing training and standard operations. The last bonus is that I will optimize your Facebook profile by converting it into a sales funnel like this, by designing Facebook covers that sells and writing high value description so that you can generate leads and sales with it. So if you like the bonuses and want to access them, my affiliate link is in the description. So after buying, you can send the receipt to this email and I will send the bonuses within 48 hours. And if you like the review and my bonuses, please leave a like on this video. And also if you have any question regarding this program by Caleb, you can ask me in the comment section. Thanks.